One of the tips that I tell people about is a one-time specialist is not a slam dunk. And the reason why I say that is this. I've seen this happen. It's the same thing kind of with a consultative evaluation for Social Security, but it's a little different in this context. Like I'll have someone who has the financial ability to go to a specialist, and they will literally pay out of their own pocket, and they'll go to a specialist, pay the specialist $300 or $400, and it could be a neurologist or rheumatologist, it doesn't matter. To fill out a form. Most docs won't fill them out without seeing you for a period of time. But then what happens is that persons will get that form and it'll say they can't work, and they're around here doing happy dance, baby. And I always tell people, slow your roll, back it up. Let me tell you why I say this. And I know I sound like a broken record. Again, weight of the evidence, weight of the evidence, weight of the evidence. If you've got 9 or 10 doctors that all say that you can do medium work, but this one doctor that you went to who happens to be a neurologist says you can't even do a sit-down job, trust me when I tell you, they're going to look at that one-time visit and say, you only went there one time, there was no longitudinal care, they only saw you there once, and that was it. But you've got all these other doctors, even your own treating doctor that says you can do a medium job. Guess what they're going to rely on? Everybody else. The key is always, how supportive is the evidence to what you have? Now, if you go to this evaluator, he reviews all of your medical evidence, and all the medical evidence based on his review supports his findings, and the evidence shows that, that's one thing. But if it says to the contrary, I don't want you to walk around here looking like you won the lottery because you had a doctor who was willing to complete a form on your behalf, and it was only saw you one time, and you think that now that you've got that one hit wonder, that you're about to do something. That's not necessarily the case. And I don't want you to get egg on your face when you find out to the contrary.